Hello everybody, welcome to Tactic Techniques. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and support to me. Today we'll discuss how to install Terraform on RedHat. Actually, Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code tool developed by HashiCorp. It allows you to define, manage, and provision infrastructure resources in a cloud or on-premise environment using declarative configuration files. Terraform maintains the state of the infrastructure in a state file. Terraform built by HashiCorp and released under Mozilla public license. It supports public, private as well, and a hybrid cloud. As of now, Terraform supports 145 providers, which include popular providers like AWS, Azure Cloud, GCP, Oracle Cloud, and many others. Below are the steps for installing Terraform on Red Hat Linux. And in these installations, we need one prerequisite that is easy to instance with Red Hat OS. This is my AWS account. I have already created one EC2 instance with Red Hat OS. Actually, our EC2 instance is up and running, and my key pair name is git. I will try to connect this server. I'm connecting this server through SSH client. For this connectivity, we need to open an SSH client. This is my PEM key file, and try to open SSH client here. I'm using a git bash to connect our EC2 instance. I have successfully opened the git bash. Next, I need to execute this command. I have successfully executed this command. Next, I'm using this command. I copied and paste here. I have successfully connected to our EC2 instance. These are the commands for installing Terraform on RGL. First, I need to download Terraform binary. I successfully download the Terraform binary. Next, I need to unzip the download file, and I am using this command. I have already copied and paste that command here. I have unzipped the downloaded file. I'm moving binary to user local bin location, because to make it accessible system wide. That's why I have move binary file to this location. I have successfully moved binary to user local bin location. Next, I'm checking the verify the installation status using this Terraform -- version command. We have successfully installed our Terraform. Our Terraform version is Terraform v1 0.0. That's all. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.